This is one of the most lethal devices ever invented. According to the World Health Organization, falling accidents cause over 600,000 deaths and millions of injuries every year. Our solution is an innovative alternative. IXOLIFT is easy to maneuver and maintenance-free. It stands solidly in place, creating a safe, stable platform that enables work to reach up to 4 meters. Thanks to its unique gas-powered spring, IXOLIFT adjusts exactly to the desired height, always allowing work at the optimal level. Daily tasks can now be carried out smartly and efficiently, without fear of falling or injuries.